I haven't been able to find anything else that does what this does. I just wanted to add a lot of solar, and I couldn't figure out how to do it. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna have to buy a new RV because I've run out of rooftop space. I've sort of, run out of everything. And this solar awning, it's such a great idea. And so I was immediately intrigued, and here we are. I can see the complexity of the parts and the pieces and the joints, and some really clever engineering went into this, and I really appreciate that. Very, very high quality, and that looks fantastic. That is, wow, that's a work of art. Well, I'm really impressed with the testing because it shows me that you really care about the product, you really want it to perform, and that you're really going to stand behind it. This product is without competition. It's so much more innovative. It's so much better made than anything else in the RV industry. It is going to make my recreation so much more enjoyable, and I'm so excited to get out there and to use it. Thank you so much.